Hi, in front of me is TCL 406, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like camera. Lastly, tap on one of your apps and click on the best option for you. Allow only while using, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Booking.com just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this app. But you can always select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. Then, instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom of the list and manage all of those only for chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!